ขับช้าอย่างวะ
จองเนี้ยครับ
โอเคเดี๋ยวจัดให้เลยขอบคุณมากสวัสดีครับครับผมโอเค
มีเงินป่ะ
แม่เป็นไงบ้างอะ
แม่ไม่เป็นอะไรลูกแล้วหนูทำกันบ้านหรือยัง
ผู้หญิงคนหนึ่งทำได้ทุกอย่างยอมตัดผมเลิกใช้เครื่องสำอางทำในสิ่งที่ผู้หญิงแกร่งทำ
始まりは幸せな戸惑いだった。Hello, hello, my love, hello. How much I love you, I will show in every moment that we spend. Moving forward, there's no end. I can see the world is spinning carelessly. The road will lead us far away and back, you know. Go, go. I see the rising tide in you, and the sun is shining through. Each day I see a little more. In time you'll close the door in the dark. Shine your light to show your spark. Find your moment, make your mark as you grow. Go, go. I'll watch you start to run as far as you can, just like sand in my hands. I know that you can't stay.
Hajimari wa taiyo no niyoi datta.
来たの。
I know, it's hard to take. This time apart can really ache. So while I learn to fly away, I love you each and every day in my heart. With every course I learn to chart. With every end there is a start, an ebb and flow. Go, go. Thank you for the love you share. You always made time to spare. I wasn't always so aware, but now I know just how you learned to set me free. I learned to be who I could be, and now I think I finally see the high and low. Go, go. Wherever I may go, you know I'll be fine. Over time I will shine. I'll make you proud of me.
Gusto mo?
Anak, wag yan! Bakit kasi hinayaan ng magulang na gawin yan? Hindi ba nakakahawa yan?
Sa mata ng mga taong may konting alam tungkol sa kanya, nakakatiri siya.
Agnes? Agnes! Agnes! Oh.
Alam mo namang namatay na ang pamangkin ko. Yung best friend mong nagbigay ng pasaning ito. Wala na mag-alaga sa kanya.
Inayawan siya ng sariling kamag-anak. Pero tinanggap ko siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong haharapin ko noon.
Ano bang gagawin sa kanya? Saan natin din?
Mrs., kailangan regular sangit test at i-monitor. Ganun talaga pag may HIV.
Ano po? Ano?
Nung narinig ko yun, HIV, parang gumuho ang mundo ko. Pero hindi ko siya binitawan.
Ay, Diyos ko! Baka naman magkasakit ka niyan sa ginagawa mo. Hindi ka ba natatakot?
Nag-iba tingin sa amin ng mga tao. At walang oras na di ako nag-alala.
Ito yung
Pero hindi ako nawalan ng pag-asa. Ang hiling ko lang, sana maging kaya siya ng mga batang nakakapasok sa eskwela. May mga kaibigan. 4 na taon na hinintay ko bago marinig to. Natutulog na ang virus sa katawan niya. Ngayon, tulad lang siya ng ibang bata. Hindi niya piniling ipanganak ng ganito. Pero ang lagi kong iniisip, kung ano man ang nasa dugo niya, paulit-ulit na tinatalo ng pagmamahal ko sa kanya.